Okay, we look at this question. It is linear law. We need to draw a graph for this one. So the question said that using the graph paper below, plot a suitable straight line graph to show for uh 10 until 80 degree for x, square root y equal to a sine x plus b. So we can know that the capital Y is square root y and the capital X is sine x. So the table that they give to us is x and y. So what we need to do is we have to do a new table that is sine x and the square root y. Okay, sine x and square root y. So we have the sine 10, then this is the value, and then sine 30, then this is the value. Okay, and we have the sine 45. Okay, sine 45. Then we have this square root of 2 one decimals. Okay, and I have the sine 60, and we have the sine 80. Okay, sine 80, sine 80, and this is the value. Okay, square root 11.2, this is the value. And then we have the square root of 16, that is 4 lah. That one I no need to press lah, but easier lah. I just don't want to write. Okay, so we have the square root of 19.5. Okay, we have this. And then we have the square root 22.4. Then this is the value. And we have the square root of 24.7, then this is the value. Okay, after this we have to draw the graph. Okay, but we can see that the value of x is between 0 and 1. So the sine x that we get is between 0 and 1. So for the x-axis, I will use the 0 and 1. And for the y-axis, we can see that the value is between 3.3 to 4.9. So let's say the maximum is 5 lah. So I draw 0 until 5 lah. Okay, 0 until 5 for the y-axis. Okay. Okay, so I construct the table. So the value of sine x, we take two decimal place, 0.17, 0.50, 0.71, 0.87, 0.98. Why I take two decimal only? Because the graph that we can plot is until correct to two decimal point only. So this one, if we have, never mind lah, I also put two decimal place also lah. So 3.35, 4.00, 4.42, 4.73, okay, 4.97. Okay, so this is the value that I need to plot. So we go to the graph paper here. Okay. Okay, I think I have enough space, so I just draw lah. Okay. X-axis and the y-axis is here. Okay. So this kind of question come out in the exam, then it's 10 marks question lah. Okay. So we must score this kind of question lah. Okay. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This one is the sine x. 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1.0. And we have this one, until 5. So 1, 0.5, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5. Okay, so we have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 here. So this is the value of square root 1. Okay, so 0.17, 3.35, 0.17, 3.35, 0.167, 3.35, 0.17, 3.35, 0.17, 3.35, 0.167, 8. Okay, 3.35 should be somewhere here. And 0.5, 4. 0.5, then we have 4. 0.5, 4. And then we have the 0.71, 0.56771, 4.42, 4.4, 0.71, 4.42, 4.42 should be somewhere here lah. Okay, 3.35. So this one I do a mistake already. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3. Okay, 3.35 should be somewhere here. Okay. Mm. Okay. So this is 4.42, 4.123.442 should be somewhere here. Ah, okay. I do a mistake here. Okay. Next, we have the uh 0.87, 0.87, 0.87, 4.5, 4.6, 4.73 should be somewhere here lah. And 0.98, 0.98, 4.97 should be somewhere here. Okay, so I want to draw the line of best peak. Okay, that is the line that pass through as much as possible of the point. Okay, what we can do here is we can use calculator. Okay, but actually you need to do it manually lah. But I like to use uh calculator because it's easier for me to use the calculator. I don't have a ruler in the uh computer. It's difficult for me. So mode number 6 statistic number 2 y equal to a plus bx. So we have the 0.17, 0.5, 0.71, 0.87, 0.98. Okay, 0.98. Yes, correct. And then the y value is 3.35, 4, 4.42, 4.73, and 4.97, 4.97. Okay, so after I key in all of this, I press AC option number 3 regression calculation. So the calculator will give me this. Okay, so the y-intercept is 3. So y-intercept is 3. Okay, a plus bx. A is the y-intercept. So this is the point that they will pass. Okay, so after this, I put 1. Okay, and then option next place regression 5. Okay, so they will give me this around 5 lah. So what is the meaning for this is we have the y equal to 3 plus 1.99x. So when x equal to 1, y equal to 3 plus 1.99 times 1, it will become 4.99. Actually it's 5 lah. So 5. So here we have the 1, 5 here. Okay, 1, 5 is here. So I connect these 2 points. Okay, that is the line of best fit. Okay, that is the best fit line. So you need to adjust little bit, but for this case, I don't need to adjust because it's almost pass through all the point, and if not pass through also it balanced. Okay, so this is the best fit line. Next, okay, they want us to find the value of A and B. Okay, so the value of A is very easy. This is 0, 3, and this is 1, 5. Okay, so we want to find the value of AB, then it is very easy already. So the IG question, they give you the answer that they design so that the answer is uh what integer. 5 minus 3 over 1 minus 0, so it's 2. Okay, and C is actually 3. So over here, the capital A is the gradient. So A is the gradient. So we have the gradient here. And C is the B is the C. Okay, so from here we know that A is equal to gradient. So gradient is 2. Okay, gradient is 2. B is the y-intercept 3. So they want us to estimate the value of x, y when x equal to 50. Okay, so number 3, x equal to 50. So I go to the calculator, I find the value of sine 50. Then this is 0.77. So the sine x, okay, sine 50 is 0.77. So from the graph here, we go to the 0.77. Okay, 0.8, 0.77 is somewhere here. Okay, so we have the 0.77. Okay, so we have the 0.77 here. Then I check the value here. Okay, this is 4.55. Okay, 4.55. So it is 4.55. So the square root y is 4.55. Then y is 4.55 squared. Then the answer is 20.7. Okay. So for last part, y equal to 12. So y equal to 12. Then square root y is equal to square root 12. Then we have 3.46. 3.46. 3.46. So we check the value of 3.46 here. So 3.4, 3.45 is somewhere here. Then 3.46 should be somewhere here. So the value that we get is around 0.22. 0.22. So this is 0.22. Okay, 0.22. 0.22. So 0.22. So the square root of y is 3.46, and the sine x is 2. No, it's 0.22. It's 0.22. Then the x is the arc sine 0.22. Then it's 12.7 degree. Okay, 12.71 degree. Okay,